Why your car is difficult to start. Having difficulty starting a car is not a critical problem, but it can be frustrating and inconvenient. Imagine getting into your car and turning the key and it only cranks a few times. Frustrating, isn't it? Let's go over the most common reasons for that. 1. Flat, faulty, or dead battery. The battery is usually the main reason that your car won't start and is one of the most common callouts to the AA. There are a few ways your battery might go flat or even die. Something electrical was left on in the car, like the lights, which ran the battery down. You haven't driven your car for a long time. A fault with one of the battery components. If the car makes a rapid clicking sound when you turn the key but won't start, it could be the battery. A jump start might get you going again, but you may need to replace the battery or have a battery assist team. Check the electrical and charging systems. Battery problems are particularly likely to happen in cold weather when the battery gets cold and struggles to hold its charge. 2. Starter motor problems. Some of the cars we're called out to won't start to have a problem with the starter motor. The starter motor is connected to the car's battery and sets the engine in motion when you turn the key or press the start button. A symptom of a faulty starter motor might be a loud click when you turn the key in the ignition. If there's a problem with the starter motor, a mechanic will need to check it along with the car's electrical system. 3. Fuel problems. Fuel problems are fairly common for cars that won't start. That includes issues with the fuel pump as well as electrical or mechanical issues with the fuel system. 4. Electrical or wiring problems. Electrical problems in non-starting cars include issues with the fuse box, with battery cables, or with the body control unit. Remember that rodents can nest under the bonnet of your car and gnaw the wiring if it hasn't been driven for a while. 5. Engine problems. Problems with the mechanics of your car's engine can stop the car from starting. The main culprits are usually the crankshaft or the timing belt and timing chain. This could be the root cause of your problem if the engine turns over more quickly than usual. If this video has been informative so far, kindly like and subscribe to the channel, and let's continue with the video. 6. Faulty immobilizers. Sometimes your car's security system might stop you from starting the car if it doesn't recognize your key. This might be because the battery in your key fob is low. You may notice a flashing key symbol or a rapidly flashing light on your dashboard. 7. Alternator problems. Alternator problems include issues with the alternator drive belt and the wiring. The alternator creates the electricity needed to operate the lights, radio, and heating. It also charges the car battery. 8. Engine intake issues. Problems with the engine intake include faulty fuel injectors, throttles, and fuel pressure regulators and sensors. If you struggle to start the car and have also noticed a whining or sputtering from the car recently, it could be a problem with the fuel system. If this video was very informative, please consider subscribing to this channel right now, and I'll see you in the next one.